what you feel inside. Meanwhile, I ask you to be my Clementine. You say you would if you could, but you can't. Oh, but I love you madly. Let my imagination run away with you gladly. A brand new angle, highly commendable seaside rendezvous. It's so romantic. Can we do it again? Can we do it again sometime? C'est fantastique, c'est la vie, mesdames et messieurs. And at the peak of the season, Deauville is the place to be. This time of year, it's so fashionable. Oh, I feel like dancing in the rain. Can I have a volunteer? Dancing, what a damn jolly good idea. It's such a jollification, as a matter of fact. So très charmant, my dear. Underneath the moonlight, together we'll sail across the sea, reminiscing all the time. Meanwhile, I ask you to be my Valentine. You say you have to ask your daddy if you can. I'll be your Valentino. We'll ride upon an omnibus and then the casino. Get a new facial, start a sensational seaside rendezvous. So adorable, seaside rendezvous. Ooh, seaside rendezvous. Give us a kiss.